Okay, so it's time to speak about it a little. I got this Mox antenna from Actuna and it's time to do some range tests. It is not 100% scientific test, but it gives you a picture of how well this antenna keeps RSSI value higher than stock R9M antenna. I use R9M Lite module, so maximum power is 100 mW. I will fly the same way I flew last time, and I remember values of RSSI in my OSD. The value in OSD is not calibrated, so I will just use it as reference values and check the real values from log files in my X-Lite. At this place, I had RSSI around 47% last time. This time, with Mox antenna, the RSSI is still holding up on 93%. When I turn my quad toward me, the RSSI drops to value of 53. Then it drops to 50, but at a longer distance. The quadcopter is still fully controllable, and with 200 mW VTX, I still see video clearly until I turn my quad toward me. The conclusion is that Mox antenna is definitely much better than stock antenna. It's directional, but not too much, so you still can fly around you in 360 degrees when you keep distance to 200 meters. I hope this small test gave you some basic informations about Mox antenna from Actuna. Now it's time to fly around my favorite place. See you next time.
But you see it in my eyes, so we'll pretend like there's nothing wrong. But we both know that we're so far gone. No, I don't like my heart exposed, but I can't fight the way it goes when you're underneath my clothes. There's nothing I can hide, nothing I can hide. I got a feeling I can't define, close to drowning, but wake up tonight, just need a moment to pretend it's love. 'Cause I'll say anything for you. Stuck inside my head. For now I'm keeping it unsaid, and I'll pretend like we'll be alright.